Namaskaram, this is Anand from Jothishi.com. In today's Learn Astrology video 1 minute series, we'll talk about the Navamsa again. We'll continue with the Navamsa chart. So primarily, Navamsa chart talks about dharma and the marriage of a particular person. And the Lagna and the Lagna Lord in the Navamsa indicates the strength of the overall dharma perspective in a person's chart or a marriage perspective in a person's chart. So the first, fifth and ninth houses in the Navamsa chart indicates the blessings that you've received from your past lives kind of a thing. So for example, just to give an example, if Sun is in the fifth house, it indicates leadership capabilities. If sort of Mercury is in the first house, it indicates communication abilities of that person. So basically it's the gift, the trines, the first, fifth and ninth house indicates the gifts that you receive. So for example, if Ketu is in the ninth house, it indicates that the person will be good in mathematics kind of a thing. And the fourth, seventh and 10th house indicates, the planets there indicate that if you do hard work in that particular respective areas, it will yield results commensurate with the amount of hard work that you do.